at my slime person. He's trying to run away from me. Uh-oh. Stuck on my shirt? No, it's not stuck on my shirt. Watch me bash my head into this. 1, 2, 3. See that dent, guys? What's up? He's trying to run away from me. Alright, I'm back, guys. I forgot y'all are on record. Oh, this thing looks like Shrek. Look, that person's running to that person. That person's running away. You wanna see them kiss? Okay. That's a weird kissing couple. Oh. They really mating. Look at this thing. It looks like Shrek. Like, you see the face, and then you see the ears, and then this part can be like the body. That was weird.